Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas and today in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how to alphabetize data in Excel. Sounds interesting, right? So let's go ahead and show you. We'll use this table as an example. The first step we need to take is to click on the column header that contains the list of data we want to sort. We click on cell B2. We go to the Data tab, which is located on the top bar. We find the option, Sort and Filter. Here Excel offers us to sort from A to Z or vice versa from Z to A. Now we choose the first option from A to Z. Well done! We have sorted the goods alphabetically from A to Z. Exactly as we chose. If we need to swap and sort the names in reverse order from Z to A, just click on the option to sort from Z to A. The list has now changed. We can also use this function to sort numbers, from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. We click on cell C2. For example, we select the option to sort from A to Z or from smallest to largest. Great, we've sorted the numbers. So what do you say? It was a piece of cake, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via a comment or a like. Interested in more videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.